Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money on Instagram in a couple of different ways that might actually surprise you. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's go to the actual numbers. So for example, over here guys, you might be wondering how all these people who are posting this action content make money, right? So if you go on the actual description, you're not gonna find anything, right? This is not even the videos of the channel. The channel is Tom Traversa and the video is from Pierre Boras, right? So the main idea over here, is that you want to make sure that you drive traffic in a way in which people are not 100% sure, are you selling something or you're just passionate about it? Is this a store or this is a hobby page, a theme page? Remember the old theme pages, right? So you want to make sure that every single piece of content you're publishing is kind of related to the topic, and at the end of the day people will go to your landing page, because if they do, they will see a product, right? So let's see this one over here. Someone is promoting this watch. If you go on the website or the page of the actual watches brand, right, you will see what they have. They have a content that majority of which is not a product. Majority of the posts on their page, it's simply lifestyle. So this one, it's a lifestyle. You don't see the product. This one, it's a lifestyle. You're not gonna pay attention to the watch if you don't see the click, right? Then this one, it's a lifestyle. It's a very random. If we can actually compute and calculate how many on average they have a product placement in their posts, right? So you have recently they increase the posts in which they're featuring their products, maybe because the sales are down or maybe because they're approaching a new marketing strategy. But the main idea is that if you look back at the days, right, majority of the posts were simply lifestyle, like you cannot even see the product. So people will follow you because they like the vibe, they like the sport that you're experiencing, they like probably the location, right? So all these things have to match. People should like you. People will never buy anything from anyone that they don't like. This is point number one. And the second one is people should trust you. So again, people will not buy anything from anyone that they don't trust. So this is the two things that I want you to focus. And the third one, of course, is to produce a content that has more ratio of free content versus the ratio of content with product placement, with ads, with showing the product. Okay, so you should have like a 60-40 in my opinion, content which will feature like a lifestyle, like a general content that will drag new free traffic, and you will grow naturally and essentially have a potential to make much more sales. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels videos on the Snapchat. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's take a look at the feed. Let's try to find something that we like, that is suitable. Remember, it has to be suitable for the format of Snapchat. This looks like a cool video because Snapchat likes videos like this, fun. So you want to click on the paper airplane under the actual video. You see there is a heart, there is a comment section, and then click on the paper airplane. Then you want to scroll down on this menu over here. You want to scroll to the section, and the last option is Snapchat. You want to click on the Snapchat button, and then you will be able to set this as a brand new post on your own account. You will be able to share it. Okay, for more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find and how to find a viral Instagram video ideas or Reels video ideas. And guess what? We're not gonna look into TikTok, we're not gonna look into Instagram itself to find the secret viral ideas. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here on Pinterest. Surprise, surprise, no one even thought about this, right? Now guys, click on the search icon at the lower left corner, the small magnifying glass, and now come over here on the search bar and we want to type Instagram story ideas. Okay, just look at what the heck is happening over here. We have the first one on the upper left. We have over 4,000 likes on these particular suggestions. Also, another pro tip over here, guys, if you look at the top filter, we can essentially scroll through different genres or keywords to find ideas. So we have a birthday, traditional, we have selfies, posts, creative, aesthetic, right? Please simply scroll down. We see this 18,000 likes. This is 20,000 likes. This is how you get the viral ideas for your Instagram stories or Instagram reels. See this one, 1,600. This is what I meant, that this is a secret thing. Not a lot of people know about this, guys. I hope you appreciate this video. Subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers on Instagram or the following list, the people who are following you. This is very important video, guys, so you want to make sure you follow the steps. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on the Instagram app, and then you want to go ahead to your landing page on your profile. When you're over here, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right on the 3 straight lines. When you're over here, you want to click on settings and privacy. Over here, guys, you want to focus on essentially the section that is right over here, who can see your content. Then you can click on account privacy, and then you can turn the private account on. This simply will prevent people from seeing your content. This will prevent people from seeing who are you following and who is following you. You know how they can come up on your account and they can see the numbers of the followers or people who are following. They're going to try to click on these numbers, but they're not going to be able to launch the list of these people. This is what the private account will prevent them from seeing or doing. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually add music to your Instagram post. For this example over here, guys, we are going to create a brand new post. Let's click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. So I am going to create a new post using this image over here, and then I'm going to click next after we choose our post, right? There are a couple of filters that we can select over here if you are into editing, if you didn't edit your picture prior or video. But if you look at the upper right corner, there is a small note sign, right? You want to click on the note sign, and then you will choose the song or the music. You have two options over here, guys. First option is For You page of songs that people are using a lot, that are currently popular. And then if you swipe on the right side, you can browse through the actual genres. Romantic songs, hip-hop, R&B, classical, okay? The third option is if you go up here on the search bar and simply look for the title or the artist. When you find it, all you gotta do is to click Add. We add the song, now we're moving on. The next step, of course, is publishing the content as usual. Very important difference I want to highlight over here is that if you change your mind about the song, right before posting, over here you have an option to replace the song that we just selected, okay? So you don't have to go back, you don't have to lose the progress of your post. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide the likes, the views and the reactions on your own post when you're publishing on Instagram. This is going to be very important, especially for people who have a small account and who don't want to be disappointed or demotivated if they don't get this very strong engagement in the beginning. So all you gotta do, I'm going to show you, is to simply create a brand new post, click on the plus sign, choose an image, and then I'm going to proceed with this image. After finishing editing, right, I'm going to click next, and this is where the magic happens. I want you to pay very close attention, guys. So right before publishing, you want to go to the last section, which is advanced settings. You want to click on it, And the second option in the menu is like and view counts. If you click on this option, underneath it says hide like and view counts on this post. What this will actually do is that when you post your picture with this car, only you will be able to see how many likes, how many comments, how many saves, how many people love the post, or how many people saw your video if it's a video on the view count, right? No one else will be able to see anything. It will be just a random post without any view counter, any like counter, without anything. So this is how you can actually hide your views and your likes on Instagram. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Instagram app on your iPhone. Very easy, guys, very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the actual App Store, okay? And then you want to type on the search bar the Instagram app, okay? So in this way you will find out if you have the most recent version. So if you look at over here, it says open, okay? So this means that you, in my case, I personally have the most recent update. If that was not the case, essentially here it will says update, right? So for example, if I come over here, right, let's say Facebook. If you see over here, my apps are all updated. The thing is that if you didn't update your app, you might be missing a lot of the new features. So essentially every time when you wonder is your app up to date, you gotta come over here, type the app, and then figure it out, is it up to date or it is not. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete only one photo out of the multiple photos in your carousel post on Instagram. It is very easy, guys, very simple. You know how sometimes you add multiple images and sometimes you select the wrong image alongside the right ones. So let me show you how this actually works. When we launch the Instagram app, we have to find the carousel post that we previously published. For example, if you look at this post over here, we currently have 3 images that are from the actual John Wick 5 chapter movie, okay? This is the main character over here. So let's say we want to delete the middle one because it's not saturated, right, as this one. So all we gotta do in this particular situation is to click on the 3 dots on the upper right, and then you want to scroll down to the section and simply click delete. This is how you can only delete the image that is part of the carousel post and not all of them. Remember, you can click edit, right, in this example, and you will have an option to swipe in between. So when we're in edit mode, you will be able to manually select and pick which one do you want to delete and which one you don't want to delete, okay? This is how simple it is. This is how easy it actually to create these individual settings. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram for free. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you where this hidden feature will change the game for you, okay? First thing, you want to hit the lower right corner at your profile picture. When you're at your landing page on your account, you want to click on the upper right corner at the 3 straight lines. Then I want you to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now, because Meta updated the whole version, things are a little complicated, so I'm gonna give you a shortcut, okay? Go up on the search bar and type verification, okay? You wanna click on request verification. Very easy, very simple, guys. So this is how you're going to get the free check mark, okay? The free verification, and we're not talking about paying for your check mark. You're gonna fill up all this information and you're going to submit the information with the link, with all the requirements that they want from you, okay? Don't skip any line, include everything that they want, and you're going to get verified for free. Your account will get recommended and you're gonna generate a lot more followers, a lot more views, and your account most likely gonna get much more traction. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. The first thing that you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app, guys. Then you want to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you're at your landing page on your account, I want you to go ahead and hit the upper right, the 3 straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. This is the latest version of Instagram, guys, so you want to make sure that you update your app before you proceeding. You should have this new menu from Meta, Account Center. You want to click on it. Then I want you to scroll down and click on Personal Details. When you hit Personal Details, I want you to go ahead and click on the last option, Account Ownership and Control. When you're over here, you can simply click deactivation or deletion of the account. You will have the options and you will have all the accounts that are currently linked to this particular login. Meaning when you click deactivate or delete, you will have line up all of the Instagram pages or the Instagram accounts. And in some cases, depending on the update or your situation, you might actually see some of your Facebook pages as well. So you will be able to deactivate or delete each one of those. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out what is the best time to post on Instagram. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then, guys, very important, when you're at your landing page on your account, you want to click on Professional Dashboard. Over here, you will find a lot of information that you could simply use when publishing, how publishing, and what actually works and what doesn't on the platform. This is where you want to click first. You want to click on Total Followers, and then you want to scroll down to the actual activity. This is the hourly chart and daily chart of when you have the most active users and when is the best time to publish. For example, if you click on one of these blue bars, you will see the number of hours that are available per day. This simply will help you to know which day is the best to publish the most of your content. If we break this down into hourly chart, you will see that this is a time frame when you have majority of your followers active by every single day. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.